Today in the livestock market, cattle was kind of firm. Really, futures traded a little bit on both sides, that they're struggling to find some market support right now. But the trade remains somewhat consolidative. I think it's staying within that same channel that we've been in for a while, between 130 and 138. But there's real concerns that the cash trade is getting weaker, and it may be weaker really even for the rest of the summer. So that's something to be watching going forward. Today closing near the 133 level, which is kind of like where it's been for a while. So pretty much sideways trade. The C-vol for the live cattle market is at 15.3%, so it's a little bit of an uptick as of late. Now the feeders were a little bit lower. That cash trade is just slow to appear. The future range was just about $2, but I think it's very vulnerable at this level right now. That major technical support is really kind of psychologically that 170 level. So that's something that we've got to watch. Clearly, demand is going to be needed to kind of quell the concerns and booster the market a little bit. But that's been few and far between. But we'll see. It's going to be day to day. Now the hogs were lower today. The pork cutouts were on the decline somewhat, but cash prices were a bit higher. Traders just are hoping that China can help with their demand numbers, seeing that they've kind of eased some of their COVID restrictions right now. But today's low was 103, and really kind of concerning that there's more momentum will come in and sell, and dare I say that we breach that $100 mark. But until then, we're kind of stuck in that $10 channel from 101 to 111, even though we're at the lower side. And we've been in that channel since May 1, just something to note. But it's still a good sign that the deferred months are a little bit higher. So perhaps it could start to look up as we go forward. The C-val right now is at a 28.8%, which is relatively low from where it has been over the past 6 months. So it looks like the market is maybe quieting down a little bit and just kind of reflective of our sideways trade.